Hi everyone, welcome to the next lecture on Vedic maths. In this video, we are going to discuss the next concept of Nikhilam Sutra. Nikhilam Sutra we are using for finding the multiplication of number. So as you know that in the previous video, we have discussed the example that find a multiplication of number that number is near to the base number. If our number is not exactly near to the base but it is near to the half of the base, then how to solve that type of question, that we will discuss in this video. So firstly I will explain the previous video concept shortly and then we will move on to our main topic. For example, if we are discussing Nikhilam Sutra, the Nikhilam Sutra work for the base and that base is nothing but 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So that means it is a 10 raised to the power n. And any number which is nearest to this base, let's suppose we will consider two number, suppose we want to take the product of 16 and 17. Now both 16 and 17 are near to the 10. It is not too much near to the 10, but it is as compared to this base, it is near to the 10. So we can take here base number 10. And that base number we have to subtract from the given number. So that means 10 we have to subtract from 16 and 17. So here we will get the answer 6 and this gives the answer 7 because we are taking subtraction. This 10 we have to subtract from this number, so it is a 6 and 7. And here we have to take the product of 6 and 7 is 42, and either you can add this 7 in this 16, otherwise 6 add in the 17. Any one diagonally we have to solve. So if I will add this 7 in 16, so it become a 23. And together combine this answer. So here our base number contain 10 which contain 1 0. So this extra number we have to shift and add in the next number. So if I will add this 4 in the next number, so it become a 272. So product of 16 and 17 is 272. Similarly, in the previous class, we have discussed this type of questions also. Let's suppose we have given the number which is, let's suppose 97 and take the product of 97 with, suppose we take the 103. Both 97 and 103 is nearest to the base 100. Now subtract this 100 from both the number. So if we take the subtraction 97 minus of 100, it gives the answer 3. And here 103 minus of this 100 gives the answer plus 3. So when we are taking the subtraction, so we have to apply the sign rule. That again I have covered in the previous video. So you must watch that video if you don't know about this sign rule. Now here we have to take the product of number, that gives the answer minus 9 because plus multiplied by minus, that is nothing but minus 9. So for minus 9 I will write here bar. Bar is nothing but negative number. And as this base contains 20, so here we require 2 digit, but it is giving the product single digit. So we have to adjust 0 in front of number. Now solve the next step. In here we have to add this number diagonally. Here 103 minus of this 3 is giving the answer 100. Otherwise 97 plus 3 again gives the answer 100. So any one you have to take diagonally. So this I am taking 103 minus of 3. Next step is to convert this minus number into the positive form. That number you have to subtract from 0. So that means here this 0, 9 we have to subtract from this 0, 0 and here our number is 100. So obviously it is not possible to subtract. So we have to carry 1 and from the previous number as we are doing the regular subtraction. So consider this is a whole number and subtract this 9 from this number. So the subtraction is 10 minus 9 is 1, carry forward. So again it is 10 minus 1 is 9, the carry forward. So it is a 9, 9. That means the product of 97 and 103 gives the answer 9991. So this type of question we have discussed in the previous video. Now the next question arises. If our number is not exactly nearest to this number, but it is nearest to this half. For example, suppose I will take the number 48 into 49. 9. See, both numbers are nearest to 50, but not nearest to the 100, not even nearest to the 10. So here, in between this number, we can take the 50. So our number 48 and 49 both are nearest to the 50. So how to solve this question? So here we have to again consider as a base number. So a base number is nothing but these are the called a base number. So either you can take it is a 10, otherwise 100. So firstly I will explain for the 10. Let's assume that we are taking the 10 as a base number. So if we take the base number is 10, but this two both the number are nearest to the 50. So how we get the 50? By multiplying 5 to this base number. So that's why we are here getting the product 50. So now here both number nearest to the 50. So apply this same process of solving, that is a 48 and 49. Their product we are taking here 50. Now subtract both the number 50 from both the numbers. So 50 subtract from 48, it gives the answer -2, and 50 subtract from 49, it gives the answer -1. And the product of this number here, minus multiplied by minus is plus, and 2 into 1 is 2. Now here our base number 10, which contain 1 0, and here we require 1 digit, so it is a okay. Now across solve the diagonally. So 48 minus 1 is 47. Is it our final answer? No, because we are changing the base by multiplying 5. So 5 we are multiplying to our base number. So same here, you have to multiply this left hand side part by 5. You don't have to change this right side part. Keep this as it is. Only changes we have to multiply 5 to this number. Why we are multiplying? Because our actual base is 10, and this both the number are nearest to the 50. So to get this 50, we need to multiply 5. That's why here also you have to multiply by 5. So if we multiply this number by 5, so here it is a 20, 2, 3, 5, and this number is 2. That means product of 48 and 49 is 2, 3, 5. Now might be you are thinking that this 50 you get by dividing 2 to this 100. So yes, it is also correct. So how to use that concept? You can take the base 100 and 100 divided by 2 again gives the answer 50. So yes, you can also apply that process also. So how to solve using base 100? See here, we want to take the product of 48 and 49. The same question I am explaining by taking the base as a 100, because 100 also divided by 2 you will get the answer 50. So here our number we are taking the base number is 100, but this both the number are near to 50. So divide this 100 by 2, so you will get the answer 50. So here first number 48, second is 49. Subtract the 50 from this 48 and 49. So it gives the answer -2 minus 1. Take the product of this number. So here it is a 2. As we are taking base 100, so 100 contain 2 0. So here also we need the 2 0, and for that we have to adjust here 0 in front of number. Here we are taking product 2. That is okay, because here our base number is 10, which contain only 1 0. That's why this is allowed to take the single digit. But in this example, we are taking base is 100. So 100 contain 2 0. So here we required a 2 digit. Now subtract either 1 from 48, otherwise 49 minus 2. So it is a 47. Now what is our next step? Here 50 we get by dividing 2 to the given number. So here also we have to divide this number by 2. So our number is 47, and if we are trying to divide this number by 2, so it is obviously not possible, because 47 is not our even number. So this combined number 472, divide this number by 2. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 1 is remain. So this 0. So 2 5s are 10. 2 we have to write as it is. So here, as per the requirement, only you have to shift this right side digit in the left hand side. Otherwise, if instead of 47 it is 48, so 48 we divide by 2. So 48 divided by 2 gives the answer 24. So that time you no need to shift this 0. You can say here it is a 48, so 2402 is the answer. But because 47 is not divisible by 2, that's why this right side one digit we have to shift in the left hand side. If further division is not possible, then one by one you have to shift the digit. So that's why here I have taken the division 470 divided by 2, and this extra 2 is kept as it is, and that's why the answer is 2352. Now we see the one more example. Now next we discuss the product of 16 and 17. So it is not nearest to the 50, but it is nearest to the 20. So this method is also applicable for any number. You can take multiple of any number, multiple of 10, any number, and use this concept. For example, for 50, it is a multiple of 10. 5 into 10 is 50. The same way, if we take any multiple of 10 and applying this process, so you will get the correct answer. Now here 16 multiplied by 17. So in the starting of this video, we have discussed how to find the product of this number using our first concept. Now here, but if in case I will take the base number is 10, and if we multiply 2 to this 10, so it gives the answer 20. So 16 and 20 nearest to the 20 as compared to 10. So if we take 20, so it is a 16 and 17. 20 subtract from both the number. So here it is a 4, and this gives the answer 3. Now take the product of this number. It is a 12, and as we are taking base 10, so this is a one extra number that we can shift in the next number after doing the calculation. So here cross 16 minus 3 is 13, and because we are getting 20 by multiplying 2, so here also multiply this number by 2. So multiply the 13 to 2, it gives 26, and our previous answer 12 that contain 1 is extra, that add in the next number. So it is a 272. So this 1, if we add in the 26, so it gives the answer 27, and this 2. So that's why the product of 16 and 17 is 272. So I hope this example will help you to solve the big calculation quickly. In the next video, we will discuss the next method, and that method you can use anywhere, any type of example, might be it is a single digit, double digit, near to the base, not near to the base. So any type of example, the most general method of Vedic maths for multiplication, that we will discuss in the next video. And to get the notification of my next coming video, you must have to subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon, so that you will get the notification of my next coming video. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.